Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today we are gonna be recreating Kendall Jenner's infamous ponytail. Like, I love it. I love that little ponytail. It's so simple, but it makes her look so good that I'm just, every time I see her, I'm just like, oh my god, I need to do that, I need to do that, I need to do that until I did it. So this is how it looks. I hope that you want to stay and watch. It's pretty cool if you tell me. It's super simple, so yeah, just stay and watch. Okay, so we're gonna start right away. You're gonna need a couple of things: a comb if you have one, a brush of course, and then whatever styling products you tend to use, you can use those. So I'm gonna apply some oil to start off, like specifically in the ends, and work my way around all the hair just so it could be smooth and flat. So I am then gonna part my hair right in the middle where I want my parts. My roots are looking a little crazy. You can make it perfect, you cannot, whatever you want. And this is very simple. So I'm gonna take some of this Aussie mousse, and this one is the number one because I just like it for a little flexibility, nothing like too strong. And we're just gonna apply that all over. We are done with the same comb or brush, whatever you desire. We're gonna start molding our hair to where we want it to be before we put the scrunchie. And of course the bottom. I'm gonna take my brush, whatever brush you like, you desire, and we're gonna start brushing the hair away from the face, so like upwards, as if you're doing a ponytail, like a backwards ponytail, but we're just, you know, leaving the part in the middle. Of course, you brush your hair. Don't forget to brush the back, so let's brush the back. And you want your part to look like it's fading away, so the tighter the better, just because, you know, you just get a natural facelift as you go. I'm gonna use some spray. I'm using this one that I got from TJ Maxx. It's called Professional Sebastian Shape Plus. So it looks like this, and I just spray and brush. Again, that's a flexible hold, nothing too, you know, permanent type. And once you have it like this, once you have combed and combed and combed your hair, and it is where you want it to be, as smooth as you would like it to be, just like this, then now you take your scrunchie. I'm gonna take one that matches my hair the most, and you just tie up your hair. So back in with my spray or mousse, whichever one you want. I'm gonna go ahead and again spray and push it back with my hands, just so for any flyaways, specifically in the front for me. And I feel like with the hand is the best way, because sometimes when you go back in with the comb or something, like then the hair tends to stick out more, like around here, like around this area. So I just like going in with my hands. It works the best for me. So it should be looking something like this. And if you don't get it in the first try, it's a ponytail. You could take it back off and do it again, so don't fear. So hers is naturally longer than mine, so as you can see, you know, this will be it, but mine is way shorter. So if you're somebody like me who has short hair and you don't have a pair of extensions, because right now I have this one from when I was platinum, it matches a teeny tiny bit. It's still very yellow, but I'm still gonna like try it on. But if not, right, if you don't have a piece of hair, but we could turn this into a bun, and I would just take the ends of my hair, bring them forward, and just kind of round it off back here. I know I don't have a lot of hair, so I would just pin it around and around and around and around with pins that are blonde like my hair. So if you have black hair, you do it with black pins, so it's like invisible kind of. So that would look super duper duper cute. Like, I'm super into that. So I think I might come back to this one to finish off the look, but for right now I'm gonna try on this ponytail so you can see how it would look with long hair like hers. Okay, so if you wanted it to look a little bit more like a ponytail, then it will be this. Mine doesn't match a lot because this hair is so blonde. So it would just look something super similar to this, you know, of course with the correct hair. But basically this is her ponytail. So if you have long hair, or like, you know, some shorter, some like longer than me, then that's it. You have achieved it. You have it. So congratulations to you. So since my hair doesn't match, we are gonna do the second best option, and we're gonna do a bun. So let's do that one now. All right, so to finish off, we're gonna quickly turn this little onion into a little bun. So all you're gonna need for this is some extra little bobby pins, not safety pins, bobby pins. And I got the smallest ones. They're black. I would preferably buy them whatever color your hair is, so and if you have like a little bit of hair like me. But this is all I have, so this is all that we're gonna use for now. So I'm just gonna take the bottom of my hair and kind of turn it like an onion, like just around. I'm just gonna open it up, basically. Gonna put my first pin somewhere up here. I live in front of a park, and I don't know for what reason these kids are screaming like somebody's killing them. So then I'm gonna kind of like, I'm like tucking the hair in like this around, and then I'm like I'm pinning it down. Until it like turns into something that I like. I usually hate when I have these little things here, like just out and about, but I'm gonna keep them today because they kind of give it a little edge, and I feel like she's had something like that before too. I'm just gonna keep it like that. Now I'm gonna spray it down a little bit. Spray the whole head. Like I said, I want some of them to be out so I could give it a little edge. I just go like this. It's looking like that. I'm feeling like Kendall Jenner. I'm feeling like a supermodel right now. Okay, and once you have done that, you are officially over. So again, we did the front one step at a time. We did the bottom, now the bun, and the bun looks like this. This is the back. I like it. I feel very like I'm ready for an ad somewhere. So yeah, this is it. It's just as simple as you thought, and yeah, this is it. I hope you like it, and let me know if you enjoyed it, if you will recreate, and yeah, that is it. I'll see you in my next video.